In the world of laptops, your operating system is the very soul of your machine. It dictates what you can do, how you do it, and how you feel while you're doing it. In 2025, the landscape is more diverse and competitive than ever. So, how do you choose the right one for you? In this video, we're going on a deep dive to compare the four major players: the ubiquitous Windows, the elegant macOS, the powerful Linux, and the streamlined Chrome OS. We'll explore their unique features, performance, security, and who each one is truly built for. Let's start with the titan of the industry, Windows. Dominating with over 70% of the global market, it's the default choice for most of the world. Its greatest strength is its sheer versatility. Windows 11 has refined the user experience with a cleaner, more modern interface, a centered start menu, and powerful multitasking tools like Snap Layouts, which make organizing your workspace a breeze. Performance-wise, Windows runs on the widest array of hardware imaginable, from budget-friendly notebooks to beastly gaming rigs. This flexibility is a double-edged sword. While you have endless choice, performance can vary, and manufacturer bloatware can sometimes slow things down. But when it comes to software, Windows is the undisputed king. Virtually every application, business tool, and especially every PC game is developed for Windows first. For gamers, features like DirectX 12 Ultimate and a massive library on platforms like Steam and the Xbox app make it the only serious choice. On the security front, the built-in Windows Defender has become a robust antivirus solution, and features like Windows Hello offer convenient biometric security. However, its popularity also makes it the biggest target for malware, requiring users to stay vigilant. Now let's step into the polished world of macOS. Often seen as the premium alternative, macOS shines for creative professionals and anyone deeply invested in the Apple ecosystem. Its design philosophy is built on simplicity, consistency, and aesthetic appeal. The user experience is incredibly smooth and intuitive, with features like the dock, mission control, and stage manager, designed to keep your workflow organized and distraction-free. The real magic of macOS, however, is its hardware-software integration. Because Apple designs both the OS and the Mac hardware it runs on, everything is perfectly optimized. The transition to Apple Silicon M-series chips has delivered a monumental leap in performance and battery efficiency, allowing even the fanless MacBook Air to handle demanding tasks like 4K video editing. This seamless integration extends across all Apple devices. With features like universal control, you can use a single mouse and keyboard across your Mac and iPad, or use handoff to start a task on one device and finish it on another. While its gaming library is growing, it still pales in comparison to Windows. Security is a major selling point. Its Unix foundation and smaller market share make it a less frequent target for viruses, and built-in features like Gatekeeper and System Integrity Protection provide strong defenses. The main drawback? The price of admission. macOS only runs on Apple's expensive hardware. For those who walk a different path, there's Linux. Linux is not just an operating system, it's a philosophy. It's open source, free, and perfect for developers, tinkerers, and anyone who values ultimate control. Unlike Windows or macOS, Linux isn't one single entity. It comes in hundreds of flavors called distributions or distros like Ubuntu, Mint, or Fedora. Each distro offers a different desktop environment and set of tools, allowing you to tailor your experience completely. This is Linux's greatest strength and its biggest hurdle for newcomers. The learning curve can be steep, but the reward is unparalleled customization and efficiency. Linux is famously lightweight, making it the ideal choice for reviving old laptops that can no longer handle the demands of modern Windows. It can breathe new life into a machine you thought was destined for the scrap heap. For developers and technical users, Linux is the gold standard, offering powerful command line tools and native support for programming languages and server technologies. While it's not traditionally known for gaming, platforms like Steam's Proton compatibility layer have made thousands of Windows games playable on Linux, closing the gap significantly. Security is another core strength. Its Unix-like architecture and open-source nature mean vulnerabilities are often found and patched with incredible speed. Finally, we have the minimalist of the group, Chrome OS. Built around the Chrome browser, this cloud-first operating system prioritizes speed, security, and simplicity. Chrome OS and the new Chrome OS Flex, which can be installed on old PCs and Macs, are designed to be lightweight and hassle-free. Laptops running it, known as Chromebooks, boot up in seconds and manage updates automatically in the background. The user experience is incredibly straightforward. If you know how to use a web browser, you know how to use Chrome OS. Its performance is snappy even on very affordable hardware because it offloads most of the heavy lifting to the cloud. Originally limited to web apps, its capabilities have expanded dramatically with the integration of the Google Play Store, giving you access to millions of Android apps. This makes it excellent for students, educators, and anyone whose workflow revolves around browsing, email, and document editing in Google Workspace. Security is arguably its strongest feature. With automatic updates, sandboxing that isolates every app, and a verified boot process, Chrome OS is one of the most secure consumer operating systems you can use. The main limitation is its reliance on an internet connection. While offline capabilities have improved, it's not designed for heavy-duty professional software or AAA gaming. Looking ahead, a major event is reshaping the landscape. Official support for Windows 10 ends in October 2025. This will leave millions of perfectly functional laptops unable to upgrade to Windows 11 due to strict hardware requirements. This is where our alternatives become more important than ever. Linux and Chrome OS adoption is growing as they present strong, secure, and free alternatives for these older machines, preventing e-waste and saving users from buying a new computer. So, which OS is right for you in 2025? It all comes down to your priorities. Choose Windows for the ultimate in software and gaming compatibility. Choose macOS for a premium, creative experience if you're in the Apple ecosystem. Choose Linux for unparalleled control, for programming, or to give an old laptop a new lease on life. And choose Chrome OS for a fast, simple, and secure workflow on an affordable device. The best OS is the one that empowers you to do your best work, friction-free. We hope this detailed breakdown helped you understand the choices. If this video helped you decide, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more deep dive tech comparisons. Let us know in the comments which OS you're using and why.